Hello, welcome to today's video. Currently we're just hanging out outside. Cody's trying to fix the lawnmower and Houston's playing, and I'm trying to watch Houston while helping Cody. So anyway, we're outside, so let's go hang out. What'd you do with your tractor?
I can't see.
Let's go find it.
Yeah, let's go find it. This is so fun.
Yeah, this is so fun.
Yeah, let's see.
Honk honk. Honk honk. I'm coming.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a big rock. Whoa. Are you okay? Mama needs to mow or something.
Yeah, I cycle.
Oh, yeah.
Mama, give me a cycle.
Okay.
Yeah, you get a cycle.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
Where are we going?
Go.
He woke up kind of very raspy, and I don't know why. But he's playing, he's having a good time. I don't know what he's saying, but at least he's having fun, right? You wanted to find the tractor, is that what you wanted?
Yeah, I want a tractor.
Okay. Wow, that's so cool, Bubba.
I like
Mm-hmm.
This not starting.
It's not starting, why not? Did you pick out your outfit today?
Yeah, I got the tools.
Oh, we need the tools? I don't know where the tools are.
No, I get it.
Okay.
Yeah. Because we did it.
You did a good job picking out your outfit.
Yeah, we did it.
Oh, let's see your haircut. You like your haircut?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Love you, buddy.
Knuckles. Look. Look.
Yeah?
There's a box.
Okay. Love you, man.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. It's just Reggie.
Yeah, this is Reggie.
Yep, just Reggie.
Yeah.
He's some rough guy.
Is it down? I put it down.
What's wrong with your tractor?
I see it broken.
Oh, it's broken?
This is.
Oh, you gotta put that one back before you get another one. Nope, hey, you gotta put the one out back.
This.
Hey, but you got one out and you didn't put it back. Remember?
Oh, this is tire.
Yep, you're fixing your tire. Hey, can you put the other one back too? Look, the one on the... Yep, there you go. Remember, you gotta put them back before you get a new one out. Good job. Yep, put it back. Good job, baby. Good job.
Another one.
Good job.
That is that long.
Are you helping Dada fix the mower?
Yeah, another one.
Good job.
Yeah, another one.
Good job. Alright, so my husband got the mower running. So think I'm gonna mow real quick. I have some earbuds I'm gonna throw in, put some music on, and get to it. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab some eye protection just in case. But yeah, just getting the heels on my shoes. Our yard has some spots that are really long, some spots that aren't too long. But I'm just gonna mow what I can, try to take some of the blackberry bushes down, and then maybe tomorrow come out and try to dig up all those blackberries, at least the ones that are in the area that the kids will play. And then because in like 2 weeks we're hosting a birthday party, a combined one for 2 of Houston's cousins, so one of my nieces, one of my nephews, and then Houston. Their birthdays kind of fall within a month of each other, so we're been kind of just waiting, and we're gonna do a big birthday party for them in 2 weekends. So yes, time to figure out our lawn for that. We have some grass up here that we'll probably either try to kill or transplant. I don't know which of the two, but yeah, I'm just gonna try to mow everything I can get to, and then on the places I can't get to, we have this weed eater. It's not a very good one, but it does the job mostly. I used to do the whole yard with the weed eater, and the weed eater is weird to where, like, when you try to press the thing to accelerate the spinny thingy, I don't know what it's called, what would happen is that it would go slower. So there's something wrong there. My husband got it for free like 7 years ago, he said. So I mean, it works great for a free one, but I would not want to have to do the whole yard in it forever. So I'm glad we got the mower going, because I would do all of this, all of it with the weed eater. So I'm glad I don't have to do that no more. So I'm gonna do my best to mow this. My husband drove the tractor through some of it, so some of it's a little bumpy, but we'll figure it out. Anyway, I'm gonna mow real quick and then go in and eat dinner. Bubs and I are eating dinner on the porch. Forgot to film the afterwards, but I don't really film a before. But that's the after. I did over there too. There wasn't so much grass, but I mowed down a lot of the sticker bushes. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna have Cody clear out that corner of sticker bushes. I was trying to do it by hand last year, but he has a tractor now, so might as well let him do it. And then also level out down there. And then I'll probably go through, and anywhere that like is flat and I would want grass, I'm gonna dig up any blackberry bush roots that I could. And yeah, try to get it ready for a birthday party that's in 2 weeks. But yeah, and then eventually we'll move that playset thing over there, and probably move the trampoline more over there as well. I don't know, we'll see. But Bubs and I are eating dinner on the porch. Is it good? Is your dinner good?
Yeah, my dinner.
Can you take a big bite?
No, I don't want
Okay,
it.
that's okay. Love you, buddy. Good jump, Bubba. Whoa, be careful. Wow. That's a really good jump, baby. You might need to take a break and calm down. You're sounding very poopy. I have a hug? Oh, thank you. Whoa. Crazy jump. Did you have a good day today?
Oh, my dinosaurs.
Yeah, you like your dinosaurs, Jamies? Do you want to wear the shirt to them or no?
Apple.
It's not very helpful, Bubba. I don't know why Dada has him up there, but let's leave him up there. Wow. That was a real good jump. Alright, well, again, next day. Last night we pretty much just settled down and fell asleep, and what are you doing? What are you doing? You're silly. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video here so that I can start the next one, but thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Say bye-bye, everybody. Here. Oh, gosh. You say bye-bye.
Bye.
You say have a good day.
Have a good day.
Alright, see you guys later.